Salty the dockside diesel loves to work by the sea. He feels right at home with the ships and the gulls. One morning, the Fat Controller came to see him in his shed.
Ahoy there, Captain. Good morning, Salty. The dockside foundations are being strengthened for the next few weeks. Porter is small enough to stay and work there, but you are too heavy. I'm sent train leaves Wellsworth in an hour.
Salty was very disappointed. He didn't like leaving the docks even for repairs, so he didn't know how he would cope for an entire week. But he was an obedient engine and went on his way. At Edwards Station, Salty looked around for some trucks, but he couldn't see any. At that moment, Edward passed with a goods train. "Hello, Salty. I can't stop right now, but your coaches are in the sidings. I'll be back to help you just as soon as I can." Salty was horrified. He had expected to be pulling goods trains, not passengers.
I've never pulled coaches before. Still can't be too different from pulling trucks, I suppose.
Salty hurried to the sidings to fetch the coaches and pulled them to the platform, and his passengers got in.
Right, off we go.
But Salty started too quickly and his passengers got a nasty jolt. He hurried down the line singing in the same way he did to keep the trucks in line.
Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. Ha ha ha.
But the passengers and the coaches didn't like Salty's singing, and the coaches began to complain and hold back.
What are you playing at?
Salty gave them a bump to keep them in order, but the passengers liked this even less. When they got off at the next station, they grumbled incessantly, and told Salty they were going to tell the Fat Controller.
I don't understand what went wrong. I never have so much trouble with trucks.
The situation did not improve on the way back. By the time they reached Wellsworth, Salty was in such a bad temper that he deliberately stopped suddenly and bumped his coaches. The passengers flooded out and demanded that the station master should fetch them another engine. By the end of the day, Salty was exhausted, and the Fat Controller was furious.
Salty, what have you been doing? I've had complaints about you all afternoon, bumping coaches, singing raucously, and stopping suddenly at stations. I demand an explanation. These coaches have been nothing but trouble, Captain. I've done everything I know how to do to keep them in order, but they still won't behave. I can't take much more of this.
Oh, Salty, I'm so sorry. This is my fault. I assumed you'd pulled coaches before. You can't treat coaches in the same way you treat trucks. They won't put up with it. And goods don't complain, unlike passengers.
That's all very well, Edward, but what am I going to do now? Things can't carry on like this for the rest of the week.
The situation is simple, sir. Assign me to the branch's passenger trains, and Salty can take my trucks. Salty can make the trucks behave better than I can, and I can handle coaches as well as the next engine.
A simple solution indeed, Edward. Salty, I shall make the arrangements, and you can be back pulling goods trains tomorrow.
Salty was delighted. The next day he was chugging up and down Edwards Branchline, happy as ever, singing to his trucks, with no one around to complain.
Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. But if there are trucks with me, I can still be filled with glee on Edwards Branchline, away from the sea. Ha ha!